Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This beautiful property sits on almost 4 acres in a tranquil area of burnt ground Hanover. It is ideal for a senior living, nursing home, bed and breakfast for people who love to experience nature, or a family home. The house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. One bathroom is a Jack and Jill bathroom. The master bedroom is unfinished and has a ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, kitchen, living room, and dining room with a built-in functional fireplace and a functional built-in fountain which has an area that can be used to plant flowers. There is also a big 4-car garage. The property has coconut trees, palm trees, orange trees, breadfruit trees, and a natural pond. This is an excellent investment opportunity. The land area of this house is 164,221 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 330,000 or Jamaican $50.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.